Exercise to look good, that's cool, but did you know there are so many non-physical benefits to working out? Here are 5. 1. It boosts your confidence. Exercising constantly challenges you to step out of your comfort zone, making you a more confident person along the way. Also, a stronger, healthier version of you always tends to keep a person's head up high. 2. It makes you smarter. Yeah, there are studies that show that exercising can improve your cognitive function. I'm not saying people who exercise are smarter than people who don't, but when you're at your healthiest, your decision-making skills, your learning ability, and your creativity is at its highest too. 3. It'll improve your mood. Exercising releases endorphins, increases your serotonin levels. These are natural antidepressants. It definitely has the ability to boost your mood. 4. Better sleep. Exercising regularly will balance your energy levels. As you use up your energy, your body will ask you to rest and recover. And as I mentioned, it does help with your mood, so if you tend to go to sleep at night with anxiety and stress, your mind and body will feel more at peace, which could help you sleep better at night. 5. You'll be better in bed. And you know what I mean. Better mood, increased blood flow, improved cardiovascular health, more confidence. It's all connected. Obviously, there are a lot more benefits. These are 5 for today. Let me know how fitness has changed you, other than your whole physical aspect of it. Take care.